Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Welcome to Cook and Share. I love simple recipes, appetizers, or side dishes, and I decided to do these up. Our delicious vegetable fritters. So simple to do, you can do them under 30 minutes. Incredibly delicious. You're going to love them. So let me walk you through this. So to kick things off here, what I've got is a combination of veggies, and this is Brussels sprouts, cabbage, kale, broccoli, but you can use zucchini, cabbage, whatever you like. I mean, just shred them yourself. I picked this up in the grocery store, and this is about 3 cups. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my veggies to a mixing bowl. Combine them with a couple of green onions, and I've chopped these up. Crack in a couple of eggs. So let's get cracking here. And we'll give this a mix up, just so everything is nicely combined. I'm going to season this up with some salt and ground black pepper and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. And we'll give this a mix again. So you want a texture something like this. This is just about perfect. Okay, next up, I'm going to add some oil to a preheated pan. And this is pretty much over medium-low heat. Scoop up a good spoon of the mixture. And we're just going to add this to the pan and kind of level it out. Now we're just going to fry these up until they're beautifully golden brown on each side. This will take a few minutes. And we're going to give this a flip about halfway through, and this has been about, I'd say 2 or 3 minutes. After 6-7 minutes, they're beautifully done. So I'm just going to go ahead and plate these up. And look at this, guys, they're simply beautiful. And there you have it, our incredibly simple vegetable fritters. Okay, let's do a taste test here. I'm going to dip this in a vinegar pepper combination. This is so good. I could eat this all day. You're going to love this. You have to make it. For this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool stuff there. Thanks for subbing. Thanks for watching. And see you next time.